Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can merge two poses together on Dress Room Press. Make sure you have like a masculine body saved in the dressing room as well as the outfit that you have on right now. Then you are just going to pick I don't know what I should mesh this with. I'll just do like a random pose. So do the pose and then go here. And then you're going to wear the mask outfit, go back to the flower one, jump out, and you're going to do two poses at the same time. That should work. I don't know why why it's not working currently. Let me try that again with the ice skating pose pack, because I know that worked. I think I did tens and icy. So let's go to the dressing room, press E, and then select mask here. And then select the other outfit and then jump, whoops, and then tens and icy. There we go. So I guess it only works for some poses. As you can see, it creates like a skydiving pose. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.